Hi, EDU 279. I wanted to give you a quick overview of week 3 as we start to look at valuing students' diversity, understanding their diverse backgrounds, and their diverse needs. In the reading and practice folder, you'll see a link to chapter 3 in your textbook that you need to read. Please note we did skip chapter 2 on assessment. We will come back to that at the end of the semester when you practice assessment in the classroom. You will be completing Iris Center training modules both this week and next week. This week you're doing part 1 and it is an overview. You will answer the wrap-up questions, but that will be in next week's journal. So you're starting out with your Iris Center training models this week, and you're doing the wrap-up questions as assigned, but you won't submit those until you finish with part 2 of the RTI model next week. There's a good link to information about inclusive classrooms and making sure your classroom library represents all students. It's important for students to see themselves in the literature that we include in the classroom. So you want to be sure that your literature promotes the acceptance of diversity and is inclusive of all students and broadens their perspective of the differences and likenesses of us each. Your teacher interview is due February the 6th. Take a moment to look over that assignment. And I went ahead and linked in the classroom observation log and the observation guidelines because those start next week. So reading over the teacher interview and the classroom observation assignments and logs will help you prepare for your classroom observations next week. I have not heard from any of you letting me know you're having difficulty finding an elementary school. I know many of you are already employed by the schools, and most of you already worked with individual teachers last semester. You need to reach out to me if you do not have a school where you can observe elementary literacy instruction. That is a very important part of this class, and I need to know as soon as possible if you need help with that. Let's take a look at the assignments folder for this week. You will be submitting your reading research paper. You will be participating in a discussion board about welcoming environments, and you'll do another journal related to your personal experiences with literacy in your home growing up. I hope that's helpful, and the other thing that you'll see linked to this announcement is that I have updated the course schedule. I was reminded that Johnson County Public Schools will celebrate spring break or observe spring break during week 12 of this class, so you will not be responsible for classroom observations that week, and I adjusted the course schedule a little bit to reflect that. So you'll see that attached here. I hope you guys have a great week, and please let me know if I can help you with anything.